Hey guys, it's Shaan, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Wacom Drawing Board. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, as I am trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. But other than that, let's get started. So the first thing we are going to be looking at is the Wacom Intuos Draw box. Over here you guys can see the information on the back and how it looks like on the front. Now when you guys open it, you guys see the Intuos logo, and then opening up the box towards the side, as this is how you open it, you guys get the actual drawing board and the pen to the side. Looking at the pen over here, you guys can see it has two buttons, and that is practically the stylus pen how it is, and that's how it looks like. And right beside it is the Wacom Intuos Drawing Board itself, and this is how it looks like. Now underneath that is the quick start guide, where we'll show you guys how to install everything onto your computer, how to use the drawing board, stylus pen, and how to get the code from the device. Now taking a look at over here, it shows you the site that you have to go on, and also here's the cable that it uses, what you will plug in directly to your PC. Now taking a look at the board itself, you guys can see it has two tactile buttons right over there and another two tactile buttons to the left. You guys see the Wacom logo towards the top with an LED indicator. You guys get the actual plug-in port over there, and to the right of it is the USB holder if you guys do want to go wireless, as there is a wireless option for this drawing board without having to buy a new tablet itself. You guys can just add a little modular device to the Intuos Draw board, and then there's a Kensington lock if you guys do want to lock it. Now looking at the back, you guys can see the Wacom logo with 4 rubber feet to make sure that the device stays planted onto the table. You can slide up the back to open it up, and you guys get a micro SD card slot, the USB holder, and a battery slot where you guys can see right to the left of it. Also where you guys will want to install the modular device to make sure that it hooks up by Bluetooth with the actual USB device, and that is how it actually works. Really easy. Now taking a look at how the drawing board actually works on the computer. So now looking at the computer over here, you guys can see it practically acts like it is the screen. You go to the top right, it moves to the top right. If you go down to the bottom left corner, it will move the cursor to the bottom left corner. Now this is the Wacom application that you guys will want to install, where you can customize what the button does, how the actual drawing board works, if you want it to act as if it was a screen, or if you want to act as if it was actually just a mouse moving around and not being like a physical touch screen. Now it has so many options in the actual Wacom application, where you guys can customize what each of the buttons do on the stylus itself, but also on the board itself, with all 4 buttons not only having 1 but 2 actions each, what is really cool. Opening up, you guys can see using it is actually really easy with the device. I was expecting it to be a pretty hard device to use. Now obviously this is meant for drawing, but over here you guys can see you guys can type pretty cool, what is really sick. And using a drawing board as an actual daily use can be a little bit weird at first, but it's definitely not unrealistic and can definitely work no matter what you guys are using it for. Now obviously you guys will want to draw with this device. You guys won't exactly want to be using this as your daily mouse, but it will work without a problem. And you guys can see me using it throughout the YouTube and desktop over here, and really fluid, really nice to use. And you guys can see I'm using it as a screen. Now looking at how you guys can draw, you can actually draw really nice images on here. Now that's either with the program that it comes with, or you guys can just use any of your own program of your own choice. But over here I am using Paint, and as you guys can see, it looks really nice, and you will love what this drawing board can do for you in the end. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications, as I am trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. Also make sure you guys go ahead and share the video with your family and friends. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.